Welcome to Anyways Tech View. This video is part 2 of the episodes. Let's compare web browsers. Alright, so coming back to this topic, if we compare Microsoft PDF editor versus Google Mozilla Firefox PDF editor. So Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge have their own PDF editor. Which one's better? That's up to you. This video just explains how to use both PDF reader and let's compare the two PDF reader. However, this isn't what you use is completely yours. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Anyways View. Please subscribe to Anyways View and let's start the video. Alright, coming back to the topic. So Microsoft Edge versus Mozilla Firefox. So this is the PDF in Microsoft Edge. You can see here it has a reader mode and it has a wide marker. You can draw. You can also draw highlight this highlight feature. You can see highlight. I don't know why it's showing. I can draw here, and then you can write in text, and you can also choose the color of white, as well as you can use read aloud, but it's not supporting every single stuff because it's basically like few things support here, but it should support most PDF readers. And then comes the search, print, save as, and more and option. And you also can use the document properties. And it's shows you which one made this document. In this case, Microsoft Word for 365 and PDF version 1.1.7. Page count is 1 and also fast web view is no. I mean, fast web view you can get a little bit faster, but this version does not fit. This PDF is so short and it does not have that much facilities. However, other than that, it doesn't matter. So Mozilla Firefox have also the similar stuff where you can actually get the view. I'm not sure this feature is available in Google Chrome, so if you are using Google Chrome, you won't get, might not get these features because Google is not really updating their system anyway. It's like still old-fashioned. Google is still old-fashioned features. And then coming back to there is also automatic feature or zoom-in features. Obviously, you can zoom in this as well as here. Also, you can zoom like this. And there's also zoom-in feature here as well. This I think we'll talk about because you can zoom it to your own touchpad anyways. And then there's a save as feature, and then comes the what do you call it, background feature, I guess. Not really sure what it does. Okay, so you can write like this. You can write so it's background. Alright, so that's what it means. And then you can write. So other than that, you can notice that there is the two reviews. You can also get the different text and write it on it. Even here you can write it on here and change the color whenever you want. You don't have to specifically highlight them and change the color. You can just change the color by here. So that's the certain with this would be that you can change the color whenever you want. That's a different story, but you can also change the color. And also you can put a highlight. We can make it big or small. It's just up to you. And you can choose and you can delete it also. Then in Mozilla Firefox, you can change the color, highlight however you want as well, and choose whatever color. But it will be something a bit old-fashioned. And you can also draw on the web, which is also cool. But just draw in PDF. You also can draw in PDF. But you can't highlight in you cannot highlight in what do you call it, Mozilla Firefox, but you can highlight in this in the Microsoft Edge. You can also choose the thickness how you want it, or you can just delete them all. And you can choose the how do you want to highlight it. In this case, you can do like this. And okay, you can put double highlights, so you can just change the color and put double highlights. See, this is really cool. You can do whatever you like. So this is the main video that talks about the features and facilities with Microsoft PDF and Google Mozilla Firefox PDF. If you have a specific video, you can also ask me. I'll write a video about it. So thanks for watching. If you take, please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.